For this question, the question is from the unit electrochemistry. We have to explain what is strong electrolyte, weak electrolyte with examples. So for first question, let's write the strong electrolyte क्या है? The electrolyte which dissociates, the electrolyte which dissociates into ions completely. So जो बिल्कुल भी टोटली आयंस में डिसोशिएट हो जाएगा उसे हम स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट कहते हैं. एंड वी कैन राइट इन इट्स aqueous solution. So एग्जाम्पल हम लिख लेंगे, दैट इज दी NaCl, KCl, HCl. These are the electrolyte. They will fully dissociate into ions, cation and anions. Now the weak electrolyte. So for weak electrolyte, the electrolyte in solution is called strong electrolyte. And for weak, the electrolyte which unable to dissociates into ions completely. I wrote the wrong spelling here. That is completely called weak electrolyte. And for this, the example is acetic acid. So acetic acid cannot dissociate into ions completely in its aqueous solution. So is called weak electrolyte. So for first question, 3 mark question है, we are having only 1 mark for this. So यहाँ पे इसको 1 mark से इस question को we got that's why we have to just write the brief answer for the 1 mark. Then calculate the EMF of the cell. Cell is given to us and we have to find out its electromotive force. And first you just take the screenshot of it so I can solve the second one. Okay, so now the second part or B part of this question is, a cell is given to us, that is the Mgs electrolyte and then Mg2 plus salt bridge. यहाँ पे concentration provided है 0.1 m and then we are having the copper concentration provided है 1 into 10 to the power minus 1 m and electrolyte copper solid. So ये हमें यहाँ पे cell represent किया हुआ है. So it's a cell in which, let's see, जो magnesium है, it is going to be in second ionic stage, means magnesium is getting oxidized here. Copper from second oxidation state going to a in zero oxidation state. So copper यहाँ पे reduce हो रहा है. So how we will write the half cell reaction for this? Half cell reaction, oxidation लिख लेते हैं पहले, oxidation I am writing this one just to find out the number of electrons. So magnesium is going to be Mg2 plus, and along with it 2 electrons are coming out. Then half cell reaction for reduction, that is Cu2 plus 2 electron, and it will give us a copper solid. तो ये यहाँ पे aqueous stage में आ जाएगा. Half cell reactions are here, so number of electrons used N equal to 2, and this is the oxidation half and this is the reduction half. Now we are provided with the concentration of the reactant and concentration of the product. हमें concentration provided है, and standard reduction potential of copper and magnesium is also provided. So यहाँ पे हम for EMF we will write the Nernst equation. So यहाँ हम Nernst equation use करेंगे, that is E cell equal to standard electrode potential of the cell minus 2.303 RTNF, and that is log concentration of product, which is the copper, and that is product में क्या है हमारा Mg, तो यहाँ पे आ गया Mg2 plus, and reactant में what we were having, that copper at a second ionic stage. So while we are substituting the gas constant value 8.314, temperature 298, and Faraday constant that is 96500, so what we will get, that is the standard electrode potential minus 0.591 N log. Now the concentration of the product हमें क्या दी है, that is the यहाँ पे that is 0.1, and जो हमारा reactant है वो क्या दिया है, that is also, अगर हम ये माइनस जो 10 to the power minus 1 है इसे करेंगे तो it will be again a 0.1. So these values can be cancelled out. Now what we are having, that is standard electrode potential of the cell minus, और ये 1 आ गया, log 1 क्या होता है, log 1 means 0. So what we will write here, the log 1 की वैल्यू होती है 0. आपने याद रखना है log 10 की वैल्यू 1 होती है एंड log 1 की वैल्यू 0 होती है. तो ये सारी जो टर्म है इट विल बी 0. सो जो हमारा ई सेल है, EMF है, इट इज इक्वल टू स्टैंडर्ड इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल ऑफ द सेल. For that we are provided with the standard reduction potential of the copper and standard reduction potential of the magnesium. While I was writing the half cell reaction, we know that this is the oxidation electrode and this is the reduction. And ये कैसे लिखते हैं हम, that is E right minus E left, or we can say E cathode minus E anode, or we can write E reduction minus E oxidation. So यहाँ पे E right, जो राइट साइड पे हमारा जो रिएक्शन है उसका इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स कितना है, दैट इज दी 0.34 माइनस 2.37. ये वैल्यूज हमें यहाँ पे ये हमारा जो ये राइट है और ये लेफ्ट है, तो हम 0.34 में से माइनस करेंगे 2.37, minus minus will become the plus and we will get 0.34 plus 2.37, which give us, that is 17.27 volt. So by this we can get the value 2.71, that is the electrode or EMF of the cell. तो यहाँ पे क्योंकि हमारा log 1 जो है वो 0 आ गया था, बाकी हमारी जिस तरह से वैल्यू आ गई है. So see you soon in the next video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for the coming new updates.